Attention, UPSC EPFO aspirants! Big news is on the way! The admit card for the EOAO and APFC recruitment exam is set to be released soon. If you're scheduled for the exam on November 30th, 2025, get ready to download your hall ticket from the official website, upc.gov. In this year, there are 230 vacancies for Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner posts. Competition is tough, so don't wait until the last minute. The admit card link will be active in the 3rd week of November. Once you download it, please double-check all your details, like your name, roll number, and exam center address. On exam day, remember to arrive early with a printed copy of your admit card and a valid photo ID. Leave all electronic gadgets at home. Focus on revising important topics and solving mock tests this week. Good luck with your preparation, and follow us for more updates.